Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa Zora. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. And if you're just passing through, welcome just to see. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to open or to sign up with an account with Amazon. Now, as you all know, I am in Jamaica, so yeah, we like use Amazon to shop just the same. But I normally don't use Amazon to ship to Jamaica because the cost is a lot for custom fee and all of that is a lot. And majority of the sellers, they don't ship to Jamaica. So what I will do, I'll basically ship it to I have an address in Florida through a shipping company, and then that company will ship it to Jamaica. So whether you're in Jamaica or anywhere around the world, I'm gonna show you guys how to sign up for an Amazon account. So the first thing you want to do, as you can see on my screen that you're seeing now, is you want to type in, going on your browser and type in amazon.com. Once you have done that, you're gonna go right over here where you see sign in or new customer start here. You're gonna click on where it says new customer. You're gonna click on start here. Then you're gonna put in your first name, your last name, then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna go down and you're gonna put in your email address. And then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put in a password. All right, as you can see, your password should be at least 6 characters. So you're gonna go ahead and put that in. I will also advise you guys to put a number in that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put in my password. All right, so as you can see, they send an OPT number that is to my email address. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna check for that number, and then I'm gonna type in that number right here. 03 4006. Then I'm gonna click on where it says create account. And there you go guys. So now I have created my Amazon account. So as you guys can see, it's saying hello right there, and that's the name right there. So if I want, I can go ahead and search for what I want. So let's just say I would like let's just say hair, and there's air dryer, so I'm going to click on that. And I can go ahead and I can click on the one that I want. If I want, I can check out review. And if it's good to my liking, I can go ahead and add it to my cart. And it's gonna show right in the little icon right over there. Click on that. It's gonna basically tell me what my item is cost. Now, bear in mind, with Amazon, you only receive free shipping once the product is being shipped from Amazon, and it's basically over $25. So, like, if you buy 3 products and they're all like, one is like for $10, another is like for $6, and one is like for $11. Together, that's over $25. So you get free shipping on those items. Okay, guys. So that is it, and I'll see you in my next video where I'll be showing you guys, if you're in Jamaica, how to sign up with a shipping company where you can send your stuff from Amazon and have it here shipped in Jamaica. And also I'll be showing you guys how to shop on Amazon as well. Anyways guys, that's it. If don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, hit that notification bell and drop a comment below so I know what you guys think. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.